Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome once again to Purushkar District Awards, Rotary District 3291. On behalf of District Governor Rajani Mukherjee and the District Secretariat, RI District 3291 for the year 13-14, we extend an extremely warm welcome to all of you this afternoon. We would like to start with the curtain raiser for the events program, which is the presentation of the various citations which the club has earned during the year, the DG citation, the RI President citation. And to do the honors, may I call on stage District Governor Rajani Mukherjee and First Lady Anne Ballori. The first citation this evening, we are calling the names of the clubs in alphabetical order. The first citation is awarded, District Governor citation to Adi Bhawanipur. May we request the President or any club representative of the club to kindly come on stage, please. Adi Bhawanipur. Do we have Adi Bhawanipur? Rotary Baliganj, DG citation. Any representative from Rotary Baliganj? Rotary Barasat, DG citation and the polio citation. Rotary Baliganj, Barasat, DG citation and the polio citation. Barasat Outer, DG citation. Barasat Outer. Rotary Behala, DG citation and the presidential citation. Rotary Behala. Rotary Belur, DG citation.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, fellow Rotarians.
Now we've come to the stage for what we've been waiting for. May I request the Chairman, District Awards on stage, please. Rotarian Topon Roy, Past President Topon Roy.
Good afternoon, friends. Good afternoon, Rotarians and guests. It is a pleasure to be with all of you here this afternoon. And it is truly a great honor to welcome each one of you as Award Committee Chair for 2013-14. It is a matter of satisfaction for me to evaluate this year of robust growth and strong performance in our District 3291. I am addressing you, the President and other Rotarians in the last few hours of this incredible Rotary year. This year, record 96 clubs have applied for the award. This proves how Rotary clubs and Rotarians can have changed the lives of less fortunate people of our district. And today we have come here for inspiration to do even more in the future. 2013-14 is all about Engage Rotary, Change Lives. The district team and I tried to evaluate impartially, but even though there are every chance of error, for which I may be excused. Almost every club who has applied for awards has been nominated for the recognition, which would be given today or tomorrow.
May I request our District Governor Rajani Mukherjee and First Lady and Ballari Mukherjee to come on the dais, please.
May I request past District Governor, past President Shubhimal Bhattacharya, can you please kindly take on the stage, please. Category A, Club Bulletin. The recipients are Adi Bhawanipur, Calcutta Cosmopolitan, Calcutta Metro City, Calcutta South City Towers, and Shonarpur. Can you please be on stage, please? We first with the certificates.
And the special mention certificate goes to Adi Bhawanipur, Calcutta Cosmopolitan, and Sonarpur.
Are we through with all? Adi Bhawanipur, Calcutta Cosmopolitan, and Calcutta South, Shonarpur. The second prize in this category goes to Calcutta Metro City. And the first prize goes to Calcutta South City Towers.
Congratulations to all the winners in this group.
The next, under same category A, the next will give the prizes for club, website and archive. The recipients are Calcutta Magnum, Calcutta South City Towers, Chandan Nagar, Kharagpur and Shonarpur.
And the merit certificate goes to Calcutta Magnum, Chandanagar, and Kharagpur.
And the second prize in this category goes to Shonarpur. And the first prize goes to Calcutta South City Towers. My goodness, they're going great guns.
Congrats to all the winners in this category.
Same here.
And the next category is category C, is for Club Bulletin. The recipients are Behala, Belur, Calcutta, Calcutta Mayfair, Central Calcutta, and Garden Reach.
The recipients of the merit certificates are Behala, Calcutta Mahanagar, Calcutta Mayfair, Central Calcutta and Garden Reach. I repeat, Behala, Calcutta Mahanagar, Calcutta Mayfair, Central Calcutta and Garden Reach. This,
Yes, Central Calcutta, please collect your merit certificates. And the second prize goes to Rotary Club of Belur. And the first prize goes to Rotary Club of Calcutta.
Calcutta, this club website and archive, Belur, Calcutta, Calcutta Mahanagar, Central Calcutta, and Kontai.
The recipients of the merit certificates are Rotary Club of Calcutta, Calcutta Mahanagar, and Kontai.
And the second prize goes to Belur. And the first prize is Central Calcutta. We are recognizing past District Governor Kamal Seth, sir. Thank you, sir. We go to the category A, membership net growth. Anandodhara, Kolkata, Calcutta, Navodiganto, Kharagpur, and Sundarban. Anandodhara, Kolkata, Calcutta, Navodiganto, Kharagpur, and Sundarban.
And the merit certificate goes to Rotary Club of Kharagpur and Sundarban.
The second prize goes to Anandodhara, Kolkata. First prize goes to Calcutta Navodiganto.
And the next category is membership percentage growth. The recipients are Anandodhara, Kolkata, Calcutta Navodiganto, Calcutta Ridge, Kharagpur,
I think there's a
and
rolling-
Sundarban.
I think there is a rolling trophy for the membership. Please. Ma'am.
Now, President Navodiganto, you are requested to collect the rolling trophy as well. You have a rolling trophy also for your category.
Thank you, Pinakida. May we felicitate, please felicitate Pinakida.
And we start with the first category, Peace and Conflict Prevention Resolution. For that, we have the recipients, Belvedere Gardens, Calcutta, Calcutta Magnum, Shonarpur. There's a special recognition we have for Calcutta Magnum.
The second position goes to Shonarpur. And the first position goes to Belvedere Gardens, Calcutta.
And we start with our next category, Peace and Conflict Prevention Resolution. The recipients are Rotary Club of Bajbaj, Calcutta Inner City, Calcutta Lake Town, Calcutta Renaissance, Rabindra Sarovar, Calcutta.
The second prize in this category goes to Calcutta Lake Town. And the winner is Calcutta Renaissance.
We start with Peace and Conflict Prevention Resolution. The recipients are Rotary Club of Behala, Calcutta Mahanagar, Calcutta Mayfair, Calcutta Victoria, Central Calcutta, Salt Lake City, Calcutta. And the special recognition goes to Rotary Club of Behala, Calcutta Mahanagar, Central Calcutta, and Salt Lake City, Calcutta. For Peace and Conflict Prevention Resolution, the special recipients are Behala, Calcutta Mahanagar, Central Calcutta, and Salt Lake City, Calcutta.
The second position goes to Calcutta Victoria. And the first prize goes to Calcutta Mayfair.
Well, we would like to present our token of love to our past District Governor K. Chandramon. And we start with the first category A, Outstanding Club. In the Outstanding Club, we have two clubs, Rotary Club of Calcutta South City Towers and Sonarpur.
This is for category A. Friends, a round of applause for the clubs, please.
This is
fairly
Calcutta
young
South
club.
City Towers.
A young club which has showed its mettle in engaging Rotary, changing lives. The Rotary Club of Calcutta South City Towers, outstanding club in category A. And now, friends, the Rotary Club of Sonarpur. Please put your hands together, friends, for Sonarpur, outstanding club in category A.
Fine, how are you? So this is the outstanding club for category C. And now the best club in category C. Can you guess? Can you guess? I can't hear you. Are you saying something like Belur? Say louder. And it's Belur. The best club for category C is Belur. They are receiving the best prize for best club category C together with the rolling trophy. As the best club in category C, Vellore.